We have a 2021 Infiniti Qx80. Side damage. Really nice truck. It runs and drives. Salvage title. It's a fully loaded model. Every single option. These are very hot on the export market right now. It's got a little damage here also by the left front fender and headlight, bumper cover. Let's take a look inside. You have the two-tone interior. The forward airbags are deployed. Nice wood trim. Comment below. Let us know what you think of this interior. Really nice, sharp-looking colors. It smells brand new in the vehicle. Sunroof. All the options. Take a look under the hood. Doesn't need any cooling. Doesn't overheat. No frame damage under here. The aprons are real nice. Radiator support is in good shape, straight. Be on the website soon. If you like our content, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.